Hello, welcome to this new tutorial to see the working principle on an ABS sensor explained on an experimental stand. ABS is a safety system that prevents wheel lock during braking. This enables the driver to maintain steering control. ABS also provides improved vehicle control and decreased stopping distances on dry or slippery surfaces. ABS uses a wheel, commonly called an ABS sensor, to monitor the rotational speed of each wheel. This sensor sends the information to an electronic brake control module, which in turn controls the operation of the electro-hydraulic unit that regulates the flow of brake fluid to each wheel brake. There are two types of ABS sensor. First, it's called inductive ABS sensor or passive, when no additional power supply is required. We have here, this is 1, 2 pins, 2 wires. And second, it's called Hall effect ABS sensor or active, when a power supply is connected to this sensor. Essentially, the sensor comprises of a coil wrapped around the magnet. This sensor is positioned close to the reluctor ring, which consists of a toothed ring mounted on the wheel hub. Each time a tooth of ring passes the sensor, a small electric voltage is induced within the copper coil. This voltage is transmitted to the ECU in the form of a sinusoidal sine that is used to calculate the vehicle wheel speed. The experimental stand is comprised of the following elements. First, it's an oscilloscope. This oscilloscope has one channel. This oscilloscope is connected to this speed sensor, this ABS speed sensor. We have here a voltage regulator. This voltage regulator decrease or increase the rotational speed of this electric motor. This electric motor gives us a rotational speed which is transmitted by a belt to the second pulley here. On the second pulley we have a wheel, a toothed wheel. This speed sensor is positioned next to this toothed wheel and give to the oscilloscope the rotational speed. Also, this stand has a second system. We see here a reflective tape, and we use a digital tachometer to measure the rotational speed of this pulley, which is connected to the toothed wheel. So, in this experimental stand, we correlate the speed which it's recorded with this digital tachometer that we have here with the sign, the wave form of this speed sensor, and these waveforms of voltage is transmitted then to ECU to see the rotational speed of this tooth. We start the experiment. We turn off this voltage variator. The electric motor starts to give the rotational speed, and we decrease. We increase the speed. Also, this stand has here a device with a screw that allow us to position the sensor next to the tweeted wheel to see which is the optimal distance, and for this distance what signal gave us on this oscilloscope. And we see on the oscilloscope how the wave I hope that you like this video and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.